In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Paint.net image and photo editing software on your Windows 10 or even your Windows 11 computer. So if you are using both Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process is just the same. So to get started, just search Paint space net, Paint.net download, and you just make sure at least you leave space so that you are not redirected to one website. And now we shall land on this website. If you go ahead and click on it or open it, it will take you to this Paint.net software or website. And the website is called getpaint.net. So here we have here two options. You can either use this download option here, but the best way also to go about it is if you go ahead and click on this will make sure that you are getting the latest version of Paint.net image and photo editing software. So I'll click on Paint.net, which is the current version is 5.1, and then scroll down here. You can see the version 5.19 is available with the last update date available here. So we have two options here. We can either get it via Microsoft or we can get it via .pdn. So the difference is if you get it or if you choose the first option, which is get it from Microsoft, you will have to pay for it. However, if you want to download it for free, choose this second option, .pdn. So I'll go ahead and click on .pdn, and this will go ahead and take us to this image where we can now choose the free download. And I'll just go ahead and click on it here, and then look at that, the download has begun. And here we go, it is done. It is under my downloads. So I'll go under my downloads and you can see Paint.net, the latest version is here. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and extract this file. So I'll still go ahead and extract it under my download. I'll extract it here, and now you can see we have Paint.net here. You can now go ahead and double click on it and then click on the installation, and this will go ahead and begin the extraction. I'm told the following will be downloaded and installed. Go ahead and click on continue, and now be patient as it downloads. Now you can see it is extracting the files, and then we shall get to this page where you have to choose the version. So we have Express and Custom. Go ahead and choose the first option, which is Express, and then click on next to install it. And before you just install it, you have to agree to the terms of license. You can read this and then click on agree and next. And now it is preparing to install. Now this will take 1 or 2 minutes before it installs. And once you are done, you'll be able to see this Paint.net shortcut on your computer. Go ahead and click on it to open it or launch it and start editing your images or your photos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.